Emily, is your baby sick? No. Clean her nose. Emily, you gonna clean your baby's nose?
No, Mama.
You're not gonna clean your baby's nose?
No.
Excuse me, that's... Emily, look at your baby. Emily, you gonna clean her nose?
Mama.
Okay.
No.
If you don't clean her nose, I'm gonna do it. Poor baby, she's sick.
Mama.
Yes.
I died.
Can you clean your baby's nose? Oh, good girl.
I died.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes.
I died.
That's a helmet. You have to wear your helmet when you ride your bike.
Mama.
Oh, you want your baby to be safe in a ginormous helmet? Okay.
I died.
Okay.
Mama.
Yes. Oh, your baby's gonna ride the bike. Awesome.
Mama.
Yes. You want the helmet on you or on her? You want me to unbuckle the helmet? You want me to put it on you or on her? On her? Okay, there we go. Are you gonna take her for a ride? Okay, I'm gonna go get something to put your hair back, okay? Oh, you're pushing your baby in your bicycle. Do you need help turning? You need help?
No.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, good job. Uh-oh. Is your baby okay?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Is your baby okay? Give her a beso. Make sure she's okay and nothing hurts. Give her a beso. Give her a hug. Give her a beso. Okay.
Mama.
Yes.
I died.
Okay.
Mama.
Yes.
I died.
You gonna sit her down again? Good thing she was wearing her helmet, huh?